Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your name in Zara application. Whether you have updated your name or made a typo during sign up, I've got you covered. Let's get right in. Let's start from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Zara application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap onto the profile icon. In the profile interface, you have to tap onto the profiles. Now you can see your name on the screen. But Zara doesn't have option to edit or change your name. So in order to change your name, you have to delete this account and click on continue. You have to type in your email address and password for the confirmation to delete the account and click on delete account and tap on accept. Now you can create a new profile with a new name. Tap onto the profile icon, click on register, write your email. Now this is the part where you change your name. Write down your new name, then click on create account. Tap on yes. There you go, you have successfully changed your name on Zara application. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.